Hello guys! Welcome back to your channel, Let's Make Music, where I upload free FLPs, talk about premium free VST plugins, and much more. In this video, I am going to show you how to download free plugins and install them in FL Studio, so let's begin. Your first step is to download a free VST plugin. For this video, I am going to download a free plugin from Plugin4Free. The website link is down in the description. I am downloading City Piano by Big Cat Instruments, but you can download any plugin you want. Make sure to select the version that matches your system. Choose either the 32-bit or 64-bit VST plugin based on your operating system, and select whether you are on Mac or Windows. Click Download. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and extract the file. Here is your VST, cut it from this folder and paste it into the following path. Next, open FL Studio, go to the Add option, and click Refresh Plugin List. If you downloaded an instrument VST, you will find it in the channel rack. If you downloaded an effect VST, you will find it in the mixer. Since I downloaded an instrument VST for this tutorial, we will go to the channel rack. Click the plus icon, go to More Plugins, find your newly installed plugin, and click the star icon next to it. Double-click it, and there is your VST. If you liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you have any suggestions for the next video or any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.